Betrayal. Few experiences cut as deeply as discovering disloyalty from someone we trust. Regardless of the context, betrayal leaves a mark, forcing us to question our judgment and often leaving us wary of future vulnerability. While betrayal is often painted in broad strokes of right and wrong, the reality is far more nuanced. Betrayal exists on a spectrum, each act with its own motivations and consequences. Instead of rushing to condemn, it's essential to approach betrayal with curiosity and compassion. Our earliest experiences, particularly within our families, lay the foundation for how we understand and navigate relationships. Secure and nurturing early relationships allow us to approach future connections with an open heart. Conversely, early bonds marked by inconsistency or betrayal can lead to a more guarded approach to intimacy. The relationship between a child and their primary caregiver serves as a blueprint for future attachments. Secure attachment fosters ease in relationships, while inconsistent care can lead to anxious or avoidant behaviors. With self-awareness and effort, individuals can challenge these early blueprints and develop more secure relationships. Beyond nature versus nurture, the interplay of biology and experience. Biological factors such as temperament and genetics influence our predisposition towards certain attachment styles. However, our environment and experiences ultimately shape how these predispositions manifest in our lives. Secure attachment, the foundation of trust. Securely attached individuals navigate relationships with trust and ease, believing in their own worthiness of love. They address issues head-on, seeking resolution rather than resorting to betrayal. Anxious attachment, the grip of insecurity. Individuals with an anxious attachment style crave closeness but fear rejection, leading to dependency and jealousy. This fear can make them more susceptible to both being betrayed and betraying others. Avoidant attachment, the fortress of independence. Avoidantly attached individuals value independence and self-reliance, often erecting emotional walls. This emotional distancing can create challenges in romantic relationships, increasing the likelihood of betrayal. The pressure cooker of life stress and its impact on trust. Chronic stress can create cracks in even the strongest foundations of trust, leading to misunderstandings and betrayals. Recognizing the impact of stress on our relationships is crucial for fostering greater resilience. Financial infidelity, when money tears relationships apart. Financial issues are a leading cause of stress and conflict within relationships, often leading to betrayal. Addressing financial infidelity requires open communication and a commitment to rebuilding trust. Betrayal in the age of technology, the digital landscape of trust and deception. Technology has revolutionized our connections, offering unprecedented opportunities but also new challenges in trust and betrayal. The allure of anonymity can breed infidelity and secrecy. Social media blurs lines between emotional intimacy and casual encounters. Online flirting can escalate into emotional infidelity. Partners may feel betrayed and insecure. Navigating this landscape requires open communication and clear boundaries. Establishing trust in both physical and digital realms is essential. The aftermath of betrayal, navigating the emotional fallout. Betrayal is a seismic shock, shattering our sense of reality and leaving us reeling from the emotional fallout. The pain can be all-consuming, a mix of anger, sadness, confusion, and self-doubt. It's essential to acknowledge these emotions and allow ourselves time to process them. Talking to trusted friends, family, or a therapist can help us express our pain and begin healing. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to feel. Allow yourself to grieve and rebuild your life one step at a time. The ripple effect: betrayal's impact on relationships and beyond. Betrayal's impact extends far beyond the individuals directly involved, creating ripples that can disrupt families, friendships, and even professional circles. The shockwaves of broken trust can leave a trail of collateral damage, impacting how we view ourselves, others, and the world around us. When betrayal occurs within a family system, the consequences can be particularly profound. Children, often the most vulnerable members of the family unit, may struggle to comprehend the complexities of adult relationships and may blame themselves for the betrayal. They may experience feelings of insecurity, anxiety, and confusion, impacting their own future relationships and their ability to trust others. Friendships, too, can be tested in the aftermath of betrayal. Well-meaning friends may find themselves caught in the crossfire, unsure of how to support both parties involved. This can lead to strained relationships, divided loyalties, and a sense of loss as friendships fracture under the weight of betrayal's fallout. In professional settings, betrayal can damage reputations, erode team morale, and create a climate of suspicion and distrust. When colleagues betray each other's trust, it can impact productivity, collaboration, and the overall success of the team or organization. Rebuilding trust in the workplace requires transparency, accountability, and a commitment to open communication. The ripple effect of betrayal highlights the interconnectedness of our lives and the far-reaching consequences of broken trust. It underscores the importance of fostering healthy, supportive relationships in all areas of our lives, creating a network of trust and resilience to navigate life's inevitable challenges. Trauma and recovery. Healing from the wounds of betrayal. Betrayal, particularly when it involves those closest to us, can be a deeply traumatic experience. It shatters our sense of safety and security, leaving us feeling vulnerable, exposed, and distrustful of the world around us. Recognizing the potential for trauma is crucial for understanding the long-term impact of betrayal and seeking appropriate support for healing. Trauma can manifest in a myriad of ways, both physically and emotionally. We may experience sleep disturbances, nightmares, anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Our bodies may respond with physical symptoms such as headaches, digestive issues, or chronic pain. These responses, while distressing, are the body's way of coping with overwhelming emotional pain. Healing from the trauma of betrayal is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that requires patience, self-compassion, and a willingness to confront our pain. Therapy can provide a safe and supportive environment to explore the roots of our trauma, develop coping mechanisms, and begin to rebuild trust in ourselves and others. Forgiveness, often touted as a crucial step in the healing process, is a complex and deeply personal choice. It's important to remember that forgiveness does not equate to condoning or minimizing the betrayal. Rather, it's about releasing the grip that anger and resentment hold over us, allowing ourselves to move forward with our lives. Recovery from betrayal is not about forgetting or erasing the pain. It's about integrating the experience into our life story, learning from the lessons it offered, and emerging stronger, wiser, and more resilient. It's about reclaiming our power, rediscovering our worth, and choosing to live with an open heart, even in the face of adversity. The enduring power of trust, lessons learned, and a path forward. As we've journeyed through the intricate landscape of betrayal, we've uncovered the complex interplay of childhood experiences, attachment styles, life stressors, and the ever-evolving digital landscape. We've explored the profound impact of betrayal on individuals, relationships, and society as a whole. Yet, amidst the pain and heartbreak, there lies a glimmer of hope, a testament to the enduring power of trust and the human capacity for healing and growth. Betrayal, while undeniably painful, can serve as a catalyst for transformation. It can illuminate the fault lines in our relationships, prompting us to examine the foundations upon which they are built. It can expose our own vulnerabilities, prompting us to confront our fears, insecurities, and unmet needs. And perhaps most importantly, it can remind us of the preciousness of trust and the importance of safeguarding it in all our interactions. The journey from betrayal to healing is rarely linear. It's a process fraught with setbacks, emotional landmines, and moments of profound self-discovery. There will be days when the pain feels unbearable, when doubt clouds our judgment, and anger threatens to consume us. Yet, even in the darkest of times, it's essential to remember that we are not alone. Seeking support from trusted friends, family members, or a therapist can provide a lifeline. offering a safe space to process our emotions, navigate the complexities of healing, and begin to rebuild our lives. Remember, vulnerability is not a weakness, it's a testament to our strength and resilience. It takes courage to confront our pain, to reach out for help, and to choose hope over despair. Cultivating trust, building stronger bonds in a complex world. Trust, like a delicate flower, requires nurturing and care to thrive. It's earned through consistent actions, open communication, and vulnerability. Building trust requires effort, respect, empathy, and accountability. Open and honest communication is foundational. Creating a safe space for sharing thoughts and feelings fosters intimacy. Active listening and empathy build understanding and resolve conflict. Setting healthy boundaries is crucial for trust. Boundaries define limits and protect emotional well-being. Communicating needs clearly and respecting boundaries fosters mutual respect. Forgiveness can be a powerful catalyst for healing and growth. It's about releasing anger and moving forward. Forgiveness is a journey requiring patience and self-compassion. Building trust is an ongoing process of integrity and growth. It's about creating a space where authenticity and love bind us together.